Volkswagen Tiguan 08. Papalitan natin ang timing belt and water pump. So Tiguan guys, papalitan natin ang timing belt ito. So ang plano, strip muna natin dito sa taas, and then jack up, move the driver side front wheel and then the splashboard, and then as we go along by then, okay, so strip na natin, lagyan na natin yung cover, and then ito kanyang what is this, fuel filter. Hindi lang natin tanggalin, ano lang natin, kasin lang natin, and then go by then. So yung kanyang timing belt kit guys, unboxing natin. So I'm not recommending any brand, but this is also a good one. It's talagang subok na din ito, mga ganitong brand timing belt kit. So ito yung kanyang timing belt. So ganito. So ang pagkabit nito paharap, no? Ganyan. So this is also good brand. Subok na ito, matibay. So yung ang kuha ko nun kanayang ano ni? Locknut ba? Locknut. Meron ba? Oh, okay. And then ito yung water pump guys. Normally ang water pump na kakabit yan is original. And then whenever na magpalit tayo ng timing belt, isabay na rin ito para isang baklasan na lang, kasi ang karamihan ito, normally ang karamihan ito bibigay itong water pump pagka hindi napalitan in 10 years, 9 years, 10 years time, more or less. It depends upon the brand as well. So papalitan na din yung water pump, and this is yung kanyang idler pulley, and this is also the idler pulley, small one. This is on the downside, and this is the important here, this is the belt tensioner. Spring loaded ito siya, and then pagka once na magkabit tayo nito, especially mga ganitong type na belt tensioner, allen key ito dito banda. So ito nya, itong may gap, no, like this is have to be like at home pagka nagkabit kayo, kasi ito yung kanyang maglalock nya pagka i-swing ninyo itong kanyang tensioner. Ito yung kanyang maglock sa at home na holes doon sa maditis sa kanyang merong home na kanyang parang hole doon sa kanyang engine block, para once na i-turn niyo itong tensioner, hindi ito ito ang pipigil, no? Hindi iikot. So ito yung kanyang obviously pangontra, and then ito yung kanyang pointer dito. Very common thing, yung kanyang pointer pagka once na nag-tension tayo ng belt dito sa gitna, ito kanyang arrow tututok dito sa gitna, always in the middle. This arrow here, pointer, should be at the middle, and then by that will be good to go. So this is on the top side, this is also like a small idler pulley on the top that keep tensioning. So ang mga ganitong type guys is what is this, kailangan nyo siyang yung kanyang high pressure pump, kailangan ding i-timing. So ito yung kanyang bagong bolts and nuts. Ito yung kanyang stud doon sa kanyang belt tensioner. Ito yung mga idle pulley bolts and nuts. So once na nagkabit tayo nito guys, ang timing belt kasi serviceable ito. Halimbawa pagka nagkabit tayo nito bago, it takes about 90,000 kilometers. 90,000 kilometers, so that is like more or less 19 years after sa bagong kabit. Tatagal yung timing belt like 10 years. Depende din sa brand. Mas maaga guys, mas maaga magpalit ng timing belt, mas maganda, dahil ang timing belt is wala talagang forever, dahil guma lang kasi ito. Unlike sa mga tawag nito, unlike sa mga timing chain is forever din yung timing chain, no? Pagka maalaga lang kayo sa maalaga kayo sa oil, like change oil and everything, so panghabang buhay yung timing chain na design. But pagka hindi kayo maalaga sa service, hindi kayo mapapaservice, ang timing chain is mag-snap din or maputol due to the lack of lubrication, dahil yung oil is forming sludge and it will not lubricate anymore on the timing chain links. So these are the disadvantage and advantage of timing chain. Timing belt, advantage of the timing belt is they are very like accessible on the outside on the insulation, because it is outside. So and also timing belt is kind of silent, hindi walang ingay, no? Hindi kagaya ng mga timing chain na maingay. Ang timing belt is very silent, so like yeah, it's good. And then meron na ding bagong o-ring or gasket yung kanyang water pump. So kita nyo, silyado pa talaga, silyado talaga, talagang walang yan, never been open or everything. And then yeah, again meron na siyang bolts and nuts nakakabit. And then yeah, again these are the timing belt kit guys. So dito kasi pagka bibili kayo ng timing belt kit, kasama na ito lahat. Iwan po kung pwede makabili lang ng timing belt itself. Hindi ko pa nasubukan na bibili ng timing belt lang, pero normally talagang isa-suggest ng tindahan na talagang bibili ng kit. And then after, you have the coolant, kulay pink na coolant. Okay, and that's it.